Buy one get one free. Big shout out to Jason at Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so this is a little better than the hack we just posted before. The other ones are brush tools. These are brushless. Most of them are really good tools. So if you guys are looking to get the most for the the most for your dollar, basically, this is the hack for you. This is the M18, and all of you guys, all these links down below this link down below in the description section of this video. Got the M18 18 volts brushless cordless 4.5 6-inch braking grinder with paddle switch tool only, valued at $279. So when you guys select this, you guys could go down here to the free gift with purchase. There's 4 items available. The first item is the M18 cordless drywall cutout tool, rotary tool, at $129. The second item is, I believe, is the brand new Gen 4 M18 fuel brushless quarter-inch X impact driver. Tool only with shockwave drill bits, valued at $179. I would definitely go for this one. If you guys don't have this impact driver, this is the time to go get it because it's really cheap. I believe it goes down to $100, close to there, with this hack. So definitely jump on this one, especially because you're getting those bits for free, or basically. The next one down, we got the brushless cordless drywall screw gun, valued at $159. That's another good one. And this hammer drill is already sold out. So yeah, this was the brushless cordless hammer drill tool only, shockwave, valued at $224. It's already sold out. So too bad on that one, but yeah, you guys can still get this impact driver. And go ahead and select this impact driver for you guys, so you guys get an idea of what the pricing of what what we're looking at here. So this impact driver is going to go close basically to 109, and this one's going to go down to 169. And obviously with these hacks, you guys do know that you guys do have to go into the store, or put both of those into the store. Go into the store, and if you guys don't want it, walk back in and return the tool that you do not want. It looks like down here you guys could do it with this one too. This one's the reciprocating saw hacksaw. So if you guys don't want to get the grinder, you guys want to get this hacksaw kit. It looks like this one does have the buy one get one free as well. It says ends May 1st. 4 items available. The same thing. So same thing, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, see what the differences are on this one. Yeah, it's not okay. I have to go back into the card and delete whatever I have in there. Remove all items. Then go back. It's not letting me do it. Yeah, it's not letting me do it. Let me see if I can just refresh it. Or okay, there we go. Let's put it in, see what the pricing on this one is with that impact driver. Yep, 107. So yeah, you're not gonna get it any lower than 107. And then 161 for the kit. So this still is a pretty good deal because it's the kit. You're getting the battery, charger, and the tool. It is an M18 fuels. Just keep that in mind. These are fuel tools. These are top of the line. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.